A strong job reference letter can be the difference between getting an interview and being overlooked. Many employers don't just rely on resumes and interviews anymore. They also want confirmation from someone who has actually supervised your work. A well-written reference letter gives employers confidence that the candidate has the skills, professionalism, and work ethic needed for the position. That's why knowing how to write a professional job reference letter is an important skill for managers, supervisors, and HR professionals. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to write a professional job reference letter step by step. We'll go through every section of the letter, explain why each part matters, and use a complete sample that you can easily customize for your own situation. Let's get started. The first section is the sender's information. At the top of the letter, include the name, job title, company name, business location, email address, and phone number of the person writing the reference letter. This helps establish credibility and gives the recipient a way to verify the recommendation if necessary. Next comes the date. Always include the date the letter is written. This helps the employer know that the recommendation is current and relevant. For this example, the date is July 16th, 2026. After the date, write the recipient's information. If you know the company and recipient, include their title, company name, and location. The sample reads, Hiring Manager, Bright Path Solutions, Boston, Massachusetts, 02108. Now write the subject line. A clear subject immediately tells the employer what the letter is about. For this sample, write, subject, professional reference for Benjamin Carter. After the subject comes the salutation. Since the specific hiring manager's name is unknown, a professional greeting is, Dear Hiring Manager. Now let's begin the first paragraph. The opening paragraph immediately introduces the purpose of the letter and explains the relationship between the writer and the employee. This is important because employers want to know whether the recommendation comes from someone who has actually worked closely with the candidate. Here's the sample. I am pleased to write this letter of recommendation on behalf of Benjamin Carter, who worked under my supervision as a project coordinator at Summit Consulting Group from March 2022 to June 2026. During that time, Benjamin consistently demonstrated professionalism, integrity, and a strong commitment to delivering high-quality work. This paragraph establishes credibility while giving a brief but positive introduction to the employee's overall performance. The second paragraph explains the employee's responsibilities and performance. Employers want to understand what the candidate actually did in their previous role. Mentioning specific responsibilities makes the recommendation much stronger than using only general compliments. The sample says, Benjamin was responsible for coordinating project schedules, communicating with clients, preparing progress reports, and supporting cross-functional teams to ensure projects were completed on time and within budget. He quickly earned the trust of both colleagues and clients through his reliability, attention to detail, and ability to manage multiple priorities effectively. Notice that this paragraph focuses on actual job duties while highlighting qualities demonstrated through everyday work. The third paragraph highlights the employee's strengths and accomplishments. This is your opportunity to explain what makes the employee stand out. Rather than simply saying they are hardworking, include examples of how they solved problems or contributed to the organization's success. The sample reads, One of Benjamin's greatest strengths is his problem-solving ability. He approaches challenges with a calm and analytical mindset, carefully evaluating potential solutions before making decisions. On several occasions, his proactive planning and organizational skills helped our team meet critical deadlines while maintaining a high standard of quality. This paragraph gives the hiring manager concrete reasons to trust the recommendation. The fourth paragraph focuses on personal qualities and teamwork. Technical skills are important, but employers also want candidates who communicate well and work effectively with others. This section highlights those professional characteristics. Here's the sample. In addition to his technical abilities, Benjamin is an excellent communicator and team player. He collaborates well with colleagues at all levels of the organization, listens thoughtfully to feedback, and consistently demonstrates respect and professionalism in every interaction. His positive attitude and willingness to assist others made him a valued member of our team. This helps paint a complete picture of the employee's character in the workplace. The fifth paragraph provides the recommendation itself. This is one of the most important parts of the entire letter because it clearly states whether the writer recommends the candidate. The sample says, "I have no hesitation in recommending Benjamin Carter for employment. I am confident that he will bring the same level of dedication, professionalism, and work ethic to any organization fortunate enough to have him on its team." Keep your recommendation direct, confident, and professional. Now let's move to the closing paragraph. A professional closing invites the employer to request additional information if needed and ends the letter politely. Here's the sample. Should you require any additional information regarding Benjamin's qualifications or employment history, please feel free to contact me. I would be happy to provide further details. Thank you for your time and consideration. This leaves a positive final impression and shows that the writer is willing to support the recommendation. Finally, end the letter with a professional closing. Write, sincerely, then include the writer's name. Olivia Bennett. Before we finish, here are some important tips for writing a professional job reference letter. Always write honestly and only recommend someone whose work you can confidently support. Employers value genuine recommendations much more than exaggerated praise. Keep the letter positive, specific, and focused on professional qualifications rather than personal opinions. Whenever possible, include examples of the candidate's responsibilities, achievements, and workplace strengths instead of using vague descriptions. A well-supported recommendation is far more convincing than a letter filled with general compliments. Finally, proofread the letter carefully to ensure it is free of grammar, spelling, and formatting errors before sending it. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial. I hope this step-by-step guide has helped you understand how to write a professional job reference letter with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more writing guides and sample letters. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.